So, Klaviyo just dropped a handful of updates that low-key changed the game. Now we're talking real-time WhatsApp messaging, interactive SMS that acts like a mini app, and AI that dictates which channel works best for every single subscriber. Today, I'm going to be walking you through the most impactful Klaviyo features you should be testing this year, and mainly if you want to get ahead and start printing more from your existing list already. Let's dive in. All right, first up, WhatsApp integration. Now this is going to be native inside of Klaviyo, and it's a big deal, especially if you're selling internationally. If SMS was your fast way to get conversions before, WhatsApp is the Autobahn. You can now send welcome flows from Browse Now buttons. You can now send more welcome flows, campaigns, recover abandoned carts with product images and buy links, handle customer service and upsells all in one messaging thread. And that's just the start from Klaviyo. And here's a statistic from Klaviyo's beta test. They saw a 22% opt-in rate increase with WhatsApp and a 2 times higher revenue per recipient with WhatsApp versus SMS. So it's more personal. And a use case that you can do is collecting opt-ins via the pop-up or the checkout page and send follow-up product recommendations through WhatsApp with more dynamic images and call to actions. Next up is RCS. Now, if you're thinking, what is RCS? You're not alone. It's basically a next-gen SMS. Think of high-resolution visuals, tappable buttons, and even swipeable carousels inside a text. It only shows for Android users right now, but Klaviyo will automatically fall back to SMS if RCS is not supported. So there's zero downside. Now here's how we're going to use it at Aspect. We're going to use it for product drops, so mainly using images with buy now call to actions. We're going to use it for back in stock alerts, complete with a logo, a verified badge, and tappable reply buttons. And even quick reply promos like, hey, yes, send me 10% off. So similar call to actions like that will work wonders on RCS. So you're no longer just sending a text, you're building a mobile-first shopping experience, almost like email is, through WhatsApp. This next feature might be my favorite. The new omni-channel campaign builder lets you plan, map, and deploy a whole campaign, email, SMS, and future WhatsApp push all from a single visual board. It's like a campaign war room, but smarter, because now you've got channel affinity AI layered into it. And all that means is Klaviyo can track which channels each subscriber prefers, and it automatically routes your messaging to their preferred channel. For example, you send out an email on day 1, and if it doesn't get opened, Klaviyo knows that that person usually clicks on SMS. So it fires up a follow-up text on day 2 with no manual setup, and it just works. Real-life use cases: if you're running a holiday sale, email your main list and auto-route a follow-up SMS to any unopens. And even then, you can send a WhatsApp message to VIPs who click more often and schedule push reminders for app users. Now moving on to the next feature, you ever run a killer campaign, but you have no clue which touch point actually made the sale? Well, Klaviyo just dropped multi-touch attribution, and it solves for that specific issue. Instead of giving all of the credit to the last email or text, this shows the whole journey, how your welcome flow, SMS, product launch emails, abandoned cart emails all contributed to a purchase. And here's how we plan to use it at Aspect. We want to see what channel combos convert the best, justify increasing SMS sends when we realize maybe they need assisted conversions through email, and we can adjust our attribution windows retroactively to spot any trends that we may have missed. Like for example, a cart recovery email wasn't performing on paper, but with multi-touch attribution, it can help assist over 35% of conversions as one touch point that helped cross that bridge when paired with an SMS 24 hours later, saving that flow from getting scrapped. And now on to the last major update, an AI service agent. It's like hiring a customer support service rep that works 24/7 for free. Maybe not free, it'll probably be a paid option, but as close to free as you can get. It pulls from your product catalog, your policies, your past order data, so you can answer ordering questions, recommend products, handle simple returns, and even upsell specific products. Like, hey, do you want socks with those new shoes? And it does it all in a customer chat, instantly. No wait time, no support ticket, just immediate responses from an AI that knows everything about your business. And here's a use case idea. Add it to your post-purchase flow via the customer hub. Let the bot handle any FAQs and nudge the customers to buy again. Now here's a speed round of features that you should still know about, but we didn't really get to touch on. Customer profile data. Store things like loyalty tier or birthdays and then trigger flows based on those custom profiles. Segmented content blocks. Show different modules to different customers in the same exact email dynamically. Now this is a big one that I love, is dark mode testing. Preview how your email looks in every single inbox type, light and dark mode. Go to inbox opt-in buttons. Nudges users to confirm their sign up right after submitting, so it's an easy, frictionless flow. Spin to win forms. They may seem a little tacky, but they're fun, gamified ways to boost in opt-in rates. International SMS and smart translations. So if you sell globally to an international market, this is how you will be doing it through easy translations. And conversational SMS. Think text-based product quizzes that guide customers to a perfect fit. And lastly, AI campaign planner and alerts. Let AI map out the timing, the subject lines, and channel plan for you, and flag if any flow starts to underperform or any campaigns have deliverability issues. Now, not every feature will be a fit for your business right now, but if you're not at least testing the high impact ones, you're leaving a ton of revenue and a ton of brand potential on the table. So if this video gave you something to think about, drop a like down below. Now, if you want more videos breaking down the future of retention every week, hit that subscribe button down below. Now, if you want our team at Aspect to audit your email and SMS strategy or implement these features for you, we're offering audits right now. Links in the description below. Take advantage of it. And YouTube thinks that you're gonna love this video right here, so go ahead and check that out, and I'll see you in the next one.